Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to begin a conversation about polynomials by starting with something of the most basic form, talking about standard form. Now, there's two things that you need to consider when you're talking about standard form. First thing, all like terms need to be combined, meaning that you should only see each exponent once for the variable. So there should only be one x squared term, one x term, one constant term, because all like terms should be combined. The second thing is you need to write it with the highest degree being first. So the term with the highest degree first, the highest exponent written first, and then in descending order from there. So what that means is what I would do is I would start by identifying the term with the highest power. So here I see an x cubed. So my first term is going to have to be that 7x cubed. Then I see the x squared. Then I see the negative 3x. Make sure that negative comes with it. And then I see the plus 5. So you want to start with the highest power and write it in descending order from there. So doing the same thing in this example, I have an x to the 4. Well, now my next power is actually all the way down to x. But something you may notice is I have two terms that have x in it. All right, so I have to take that 4x plus 3x, and I'm going to write that as 7x. Then finally, the last thing is always the constant. But again, I have two pieces to it, so I need to combine those like terms. Negative 5 plus 1 will give me a negative 4. And our last example. Again, you want to identify the term with the highest power. Well, here I have 2 cubes. So I'm going to take 2x cubed minus 4x cubed. That's going to be a negative 2x cubed. The next highest power I see is squared. So I'm going to have a 3x squared. And then I see a minus 9x. Again, whenever you're doing this, you need to make sure the highest power is written first and that every like term is combined, meaning you should only see each power once when it is in true standard form. All right, that's actually all for this first notes. So make sure you have those written down. Then make sure you ask me if you have any questions on this, please.